Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the maintenance box on the Epson XP 970. Now this is a really great feature that this Epson printer model has, where the leftover ink, the smudged up ink that ends up coming up over many times of using it, builds up, but then it is able to be shot into this maintenance box. So this is a very important piece. You will have a message come up on your screen whenever you need to swap it out. Unfortunately, when you buy this printer new, you do get an additional maintenance box aside from the one in the printer. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If this video ends up being helpful to you, please make sure to like. And if you have any questions at all about this process, it's very easy, but you still might have questions, comment that below. So you're going to want to locate the flathead screw that connects the right front panel on the printer. You just have to take this screw out. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the right tool. Even the one I'm using is a little bit big. So once you've located the screw, you remove the screw. This panel should come right off. And this is where your maintenance box is located. So you're going to take that off, set it aside. Again, this panel is on the right side of the printer when you're facing the printer to use it. All you have to do is take that off. This is the new maintenance box. And so basically what you're doing is you're just going to pull out the old one. It's very easy, nothing else to do aside from pulling it out. Okay, and now what you're going to want to do is place the new maintenance box back into that slot. So you want to make sure that you're putting it in correctly. So just like I have it here, you're going to line this chip up with the metal piece that is in the printer. And you're going to slide it right in. And you should push it in just like you would an ink cartridge. Make sure it's snug in place. And that's really all you need to do. Now just replace that panel back onto the printer, put that screw back in, tighten it down, and you should be set. That's all you really need to do. Whatever is prompted on the printer for you to go through, go ahead and take care of that. But that's really all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for that screwdriver that will help you get out that flathead screw that is attached to the printer. Again, any questions at all, comment below. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like the video. And please consider subscribing. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.